Hello students, a big announcement for all of you those who are preparing for civil services examination. Legacy IAS Academy is going to start its result oriented PSIR optional batch. Now in this batch we are going to start with from the basic itself. Okay, first we'll start what is the strategy for PSIR optional subject. Okay, why PSIR is so popular among civil services aspirant, why every year around 70% students they take PSIR as an optional subject. So each and everything we are going to discuss in our live session that is going to be held on YouTube every day 2:30 p.m. So do like and subscribe our channel Legacy IAS Academy. Along with this, we are also going to start different optional subjects and other courses. So, PSIR optional subject, which is also a very popular subject among civil services students, in this we are going to provide comprehensive study material, design of that course in such a manner that it is going to help you all in your mains examination, interview, as well as in your future career as a civil services administrator. So do like and subscribe our channel Legacy IAS Academy. Thank you so much.